Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter and funnier purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum, and in the right corner, the roborock Q5 Max Plus. It's a battle of the bots, and we're here to see which one sucks more, in a good way. Let's get started. First up, hands-free cleaning. Loorow boasts a self-emptying dock that can hold dirt for up to 60 days. 60 days, people? That's like 2 months of not having to touch dust. Perfect for those of us who are allergic to housework. On the other side, roborock gives you a solid 7 weeks with 2 dust bags. Roborock promises to keep your home allergen-free, which is great because who needs dust when you already have drama? Both are pretty impressive, but I gotta say, Loorow's got the edge here with an extra week of laziness. Reviewers love Loorow's large self-emptying dustbin and convenience, while roborock is praised for its maintenance ease and allergen-free promise. Next, let's talk suction power. Loorow comes in with a respectable 4,500 pascals. That's like a vacuum cleaner on steroids. It'll suck up everything from pet hair to the crumbs you dropped during your midnight snack attack. But wait, roborock isn't playing around either. With a whopping 5,500 pascals, it's like a black hole for dirt. Pair that with its duo roller brush, and this thing could probably clean up after a frat party. Reviewers say Loorow suction is strong and efficient for everyday maintenance, while roborock is noted for its powerful suction and efficiency, especially with pet hair. Now, let's see how these bots find their way around. Both come with PresaSense LiDAR navigation. Loorow claims to create accurate maps and even divides areas automatically. It's like having a little cartographer in your vacuum. Roborock, on the other hand, offers 3D maps and multi-level mapping. It's like having a vacuum that graduated from MIT. Plus, it adapts to different environments. So whether you're living in a mansion or a shoebox, roborock's got you covered. Reviewers appreciate Loorow's precise mapping and area division, while roborock's 3D mapping and adaptability are highly praised. Time to talk battery life. Loorow offers up to 120 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. That's 2 hours of uninterrupted cleaning, or as I like to call it, 2 hours of avoiding my responsibilities. Roborock, though, steps it up with a staggering 240 minutes. That's 4 hours! You could binge-watch an entire season of your favorite show while roborock does all the work. Reviewers mention Loorow's battery life as sufficient for most tasks, but note roborock's long battery life as a significant advantage. Let's not forget the extra features. Loorow offers 6 cleaning modes, app control, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Roborock also brings voice and app control, and it syncs with Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. It's like having a personal assistant that doesn't judge you for not vacuuming yourself. Reviewers appreciate Loorow's versatility and smart connectivity, while roborock's extra compatibility with Siri is a hit. Overall, reviewers find the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum to be a versatile and strong performer, especially praised for its convenience and efficient cleaning. The roborock Q5 Max Plus is lauded for its powerful suction, extended battery life, and comprehensive smart home compatibility, making it a top choice for those needing a robust and long-lasting cleaning solution. So there you have it, folks. While Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum puts up a good fight, the roborock Q5 Max Plus takes the crown today. But remember, the best vacuum for you depends on your specific needs. Whether you're a Loorow loyalist or a roborock rookie, make sure to buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time, smart shoppers.